Hello everyone and welcome back. We are learning the chapter polynomials, in which we have completed the introduction part, all the types of polynomials with the standard form of polynomial and degree of it, and exercise 2.1 is completed. So here we are with the new concept of this chapter, that is value of polynomial. Actually you have the next concept as the zero of polynomial, but before that this is essential for you. What is value of polynomial we must find. So here I have taken one example, that find the value of the following polynomial. P of x is equal to 5x square minus 3x plus 7 at x is equal to 1. Children, you know it very well that you have studied this in 8th standard also, to find the value of algebraic expression by substituting the value of the given variable in the given expression. Now here x is equal to 1. So wherever x we find here, let us substitute 1 here. So here P of x becomes P of 1 is equal to 5 of, in place of x we'll write 1 square minus 3 of 1 plus 7. So here let us simplify it further. 5 into 1 square is 1 minus 3 into 1 is 3 plus 7. 5 into 1 becomes 5 minus 3 plus 7. When you simplify it, however you want to simplify, you can. 5 minus 3, then 2 plus 7, 9 also you can do. 5 plus 7 is 12. Minus 3 also if you do, you get the same answer. 12 minus 3 is 9. So P of 1 here is 9. So we can say that the value of the given polynomial 5x square minus 3x plus 7 at x is equal to 1 is 9. Okay, let us find some more. Let us take one more example and find the value of that polynomial 2. Let's consider this example. P of x is equal to x minus 1 at x is equal to 1. See, values can be any value given for x, and that same value should be substituted here. Now P of 1 is equal to 1 minus 1. Here 1 minus 1 becomes 0. That means P of 1 is equal to 0. So we say that this 1, when we substitute 1 in the polynomial, the value is becoming 0. So we can say that 1 is the 0 of polynomial P of x, or P of x minus 1. That means when you substitute a value, if the value becomes 0, then that is called as 0 of the polynomial. Here is a small assignment for you. Do take down these two polynomials, q of y and p of t, at y is equal to 2 and at t is equal to a, and find the values and try. And this is root 11. Okay, this is root 11. Do find the values of these polynomials and try to understand the concept what we have learned today. So here it is 0. 1 is the 0 of the polynomial x minus 1. That means the value which we substitute in this, after substituting, the answer is 0. So such type of numbers are called as 0 of the polynomials. Now that we have seen what is the 0 of polynomial, let us check whether minus 2 and 2 are the zeros of the given polynomial x plus 2 or not. Let's consider this as P of x is equal to x plus 2. We'll take any one value. Let's start with x is equal to minus 2. Okay, if x is equal to minus 2 is substituted in the given polynomial, let's check whether it is 0 or not. So P of minus 2 plus 2. So minus 2 plus 2 becomes 0. Therefore P of minus 2 is equal to 0. So we can say that here, yes, minus 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. 0 of given polynomial x plus 2. Okay, now let's check with x is equal to 2. So x plus 2. Let's check with x is equal to 2 now. Substituting P of 2 is equal to 2 plus 2, we will be getting here P of 2 is equal to 4. Here this is not 0, isn't it? This is not 0. The answer is not 0, so we cannot say that 2 is the 0 of. Therefore we should write 2 is not a 0 of polynomial x plus 2. So here out of minus 2 and 2, only minus 2 is the 0 of the given polynomial. Do observe here that the earlier example x plus 1, we had minus 1 as the 0. Now x plus 2, we have minus 2 as the 0, and many more polynomials you see. Here the degree is 1. So these are the linear polynomials. So in linear polynomials, the 0 can be only 1. Only linear polynomial will have only 1 0. So a linear polynomial has only 1 0. It cannot have more than 1. So you see here in this example only minus 2 and 2 values are given, but for only one value it is 0, for other value it is not 0. That means a linear polynomial has only 1 0. It can be any number depending on what kind of linear polynomial that is. I hope you understood today's concept, that is value of polynomial, then 0 of polynomial, and we have also checked what kind of how to find the how to check whether the number given number is the 0 of the given polynomials or not, and linear polynomials has only 1 0. Please do remember all this. Subscribe to my channel. Do watch the next video to find the 0 of polynomial, where we are going to find the polynomials of these linear polynomials. Do subscribe to the channel. If you have any doubt, please write in the comment section, or you can contact me personally. Subscribe to the channel and ask your friends, those who have not subscribed. Do watch the videos and understand and learn mathematics in an easy way. Thank you.